Munyina mamunyina akwa abasonko de mba ras media chi echiso ena numere. Ene 13th of March 2025. Abusia Asiedu Nketiah. Miya Asiedu Nketiah. Miya mikromuni Asiedu Nketiah. Miya nwia bununi Asiedu Nketiah. Miya mi papa panyin Asiedu Nketiah. Asiedu Nketiah eho abasem. Ene enu bedi nkobo. Ensem bi no mo koso ekire se obi bi oto abama ndisi wo Ghana man mu bi ene wanu ne ho. Wanu ne ho. Na efre no achi no. Yetumo so se asem bi koso wo ene amdisi aban a mahama ne da no. Yensem bi a enipa dwene ho onte ase. Ene ne police and security agency recruitment. Eye problem kese e koso wo man no. Enema bi abeto abonten ekire se and this amanyoko no ye akrofo because the ordinary Ghanaian na yenya juma mfa amano no and this abantimi asan fa kwam bi so abogana for makro no agi won some 200 plus millions of Ghana cedis ene menu nyina ye betrase na ya bye na ya kyerɛkyerɛm die ntia bibia da dipe fe se ye share that ye say ye de Ghana for kro no me kyerɛkyerɛ ni nyina mo ewo platform we so because ye hu bi pen ye hu bi oba bi foforo kwanya ye fa so e de recruitment of government workers ye bedi hu nkomo pa na ya kyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm mu ye firi hɔ nso a na ye kɔ ye nim kura asɛm aba besi nyina a da hɔ e wo se ye nka ho asɛm so ne sɛ NDC serial callers ashase etiam esu say adwuma omo ye no omo nsanya nka omo chefa eno so yebebo ho video na ya dwadwam hey oh God of Nazareth and I don't need Dr. Yankopon Shiram why Dr. Alhaji Muhammad will be the president of this republic by 2029 7th January inshallah. And this is area called a TM. Then the pa a soon pa almost come the one. And also a become one sem kakra. Na ya dream, na ya bam, na ya free mobile beer. If you want so near the last issue, near the no we cry. If friend no I carry beam. And say, and now menoka say, patro, any diesel, a cosro. Na obi ana nia bie nyansani nim de fo bi ana adwene ma bie anim se patro ane bo akosoro wo Ghana man mu no enye mahama ne fort ye nim se efiri ba bi na eba but the discussion e koso ne ene se bra na mpipi amanyoko no wo akonwam niema bo call na nim ewo wiase amansan nyina mu no Henya yewura mahama ene ne nkrofo mbegina bonten kan se eye lack of management. Almost mismanagement and ama niema bo ayedene wo Ghana because mahama ba bonten kan se Ukraine ene Russia a distance no muwa enti so mo ko mo ntokwa a ye Ghana for de e fa ye ho bai. Enti ene se Israel ni Iran for e ko mo ntokwa na eno nam so ama patro bo e kosoro e wo wiase amansan mu a anyansa for yete ase but ye da so bisa mo se patro na ye tumu no monhwe ne ye na mompa adwuma bi nyemfa ho na momfa nsisi ano ene se mo ma subsidize na mo tuafa na Ghana fo atona bofo a that is what we want because ye de momo ye de ye de mo ka kire ye no eno ana de bi be ye mo se Iran fo ni Israel fo e ko ayo mo ntokwa Ghana ye man Israel ni Iran etimo a mo hwehwe kwa mo befa so a mo be ma patro bo no ayefo e de ama Ghana fo eno ana e bisa enti e beka safa sa asem no ho e wo sa ache no we aso enche bia na ye firo na se breba mu yie nso a then we will go into what John Mahama ni nwa Ibrahim Mahama mo ho nsem kakra because it is tend to be said abrebi a John Mahama betena konwa so bia no ni nwa Ibrahim Mahama eye niema a eye niema akese obanyansafo ye bunbe ayen kana se yes state capture ne de wo he ene de ne eda ya nimi mamu nyina akwa abasronko e de mo ba ras media GH so bedin ene Mr. Mafo meden chia kese ema me mame Diana Pia miwia o se ya Anthony chia wo ye pa medamu nyina asese mo ba mesle mo sabusua wabai na wa share video na mame na wa comment na wa like na won subscribe so na wa subscribe na do nsa asi adoma no so said ye be ya me ba life brebi a obenya nkai boss ma ba na woni me abete dwumade na die trase na ji wakonwa pe popcorn kakra na entrance na ma ba nsennum na yemfa bibia amra bo wano said brebi a ye no abusanfo ensem bi koso e wo the NDC party num ye na ekwa the issue of security agencies recruitment abeye ntokwa kese pa nano ibeye video bi wo ha ya me kire mo de na ekoso ewo in the NDC supporters na omo adwene ye omo se so far as omo ye NDC for no de enkomo koduru ho a na nka ya fa omo na nka ya fa omo te se ye nka ne se Ghana apolisifo enkrofo no koduru ho a ye sha ase bi so omo mfa ne ma bi mra te se certificate yemfa a qualification ne ma bi mra no omo so omo nte ase nti omo ba abonten omo adwa ama NDC fo mpanfo nyina aba abonten abeba hye se papa na ye frɛ ne Muntaka Mohammed on the internal minister no omo so onye na adwuma yie adenti a yese once fa party full soldiers anwura Ghana police and I'm so papa ba abonten be kan say da bi o enkrofo na yam form no according to sources the yenya no ekire se omo nyina ye NDC fo no the internal minister ye NDC ni kire se bebre no ye wi no fo pa enkrofo no we no omo nye wi no bia o wi no no eguguma ho ahodo tie bi ye pa wi no no eguguma ahodo ye won krofo omo no wi papa wi a eye well yen kan say harmonize ya sheda dua treaty nti ya ade bi a no ma ekipu at your ekipu calm ekipu active mentally ene wo wi bi so efe ni moka eno ye de adura ta na pai no achechire eno no ma na fa otunum na waye hey onte hwe ase nti onkrofo omo no musa wi no ene wo omo so omo no wi bi anye wi a nyema ewo wi ma ma wunya effect ebinim zero THC for no omo so omo ho enti according to the Muntaka Mohammed ekano enkrofo no omo no moka wi boni wi dia ya sheda tai ye dia petese aguso ebi kura ho ye di nuboni afra no Muntaka Mohammed say enkrofo no omo baa no sa nyema na age omo ho ebi kura adwene nye biem mentally omo nye stable enti nam so ana Muntaka si oyi onadi na NDC from pemfo church omo ho asi nyina ana Asiedu Nketiah so ebe pie mu na Asiedu Nketiah de na odi be pie mu no na akwakọ ya de bia odwene ho a wonte ase nwia Augustine ebo amemo akwa papa Asiedu Nketiah so be pie mu se ono so na oba beka ne fa e de akere Ghana for and I am fine say NDC there to them Ghana is only for the NDC youth the rest of Ghanaians omo nye politicians omo for omo nye politicians omo ni party MPP for CPP for obi anyi Ghana ni only NDC for ene Ghana for enti Ghana tadodo de no according to the NDC it is only for them ode yate entenche wona fe Asiedu Nketiah ba bonten se oni ni nkrofo e ba be kasa papa we de da bia maka misi minnim Chedi John Rawlings da wo course e kwa brofo kakra bi Asiedu Nketiah tumi gina na nan mu kan ye brofo ana ya twere no opipa so nti ena okofa akwa we de be share politics adwene no ye wura ma adwene Asiedu Nketiah needs to go to farm and work in the farm I don't want to disrespect anybody's occupation but Asiedu Nketiah papa he must to go back to the farm and work there because any pabi say adwene bi say dan team no di amanyo semanim e wo man mu a o man ne nkọ nanim because the mentality na that team no ɛyɛ retrogressive ɛnya adwen papa Asiedu Nketiah megyina hɔ akwa wo ye papa megyina hɔ no nka bi ma Ghana fo a ɔse da bi ɔne NDC youth na ɛkasa sɛ NDC for youth na ɔmo ɛkɔtwere ɔmo din sɛ ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo mena mɛyɛ polisifoɔ no ɔmo dɔɔso dodo Asiedu Nketiah kura na ɛde nkyerɛkyerɛ mu aba sɛ actually no the Ghana Police Service no wanted only 5,000 people to recruit them. But according to Asiedu Nketiah no, and this year, case omu ye necklace, omu nim amamu hu nyansa ye kan montiasi. They wanted 5,000 people, and they opened the registration form for millions of people. Asiedu Nketiah na didn't chechire munaba. And Asiedu Nketiah said, because they needed 5,000, I almost saw the year nipa 500,000 and plus and a registered, they invented some way somehow. When you remember so good to me a pam a man for a free system no into ye mistake it to be any a pam with about 10. I say when Asiedu Nketiah babeka in the board so video at the actual. You see what I'm talking about? Now, Papa Nukusu or Kasakolo, I can simply ask myself, say, how can this man be the chairman of a ruling party of a country called Ghana, where we have people with super brains? Asiedu Nketiah say, enipa 5,000 no, 500,000 no. Ekese ye fa omu nyina police adwuma mu a ye nya kromfo nche won e wo man no. And for that reason, any kwanse ye for police for. Etiabusia where wow jejereje. In Candifo no more man no. And Crofona memene how eda omoso. Our social problems like access to hospital, access to quality education, road infrastructure, services, health service. And na asefo no saa nkrofo no mu binom no adwene na edo mutimu no eye 19 kwadwo ho kofa bra me adwene na edo mutim chese panyina Asiedu Nketiah papa panyina wadi amanyo semachi for over 20 good years utumi bie wa no ka kire Ghana for say mo amfa police for the reason is that sabio some of them nyina police for why na be ye kromfo amaya kwa akoche no Bob na kana asem you say chase those bald heads out of a town. Chase those bald heads out of town. So, I don't know how he sing it, but this man sound krofo yo mu this party na edi akonwa na wo Ghana man mo no omo ye bald heads adwena ye fe na adwene nim de omo ni bikitikiti say anything I ever kasafa hono these guys will turn it into a young can say anansem Asiedu Nketiah nipa bi amenti se ojina platform so na oka asem na oka nyansasem bi wo kwan papa bi so ne entity paso always comedy nkwasi akeka nko a but ye me ya ne se oman na yetimu no about 60-70% of the people omo nyina ye illiterate ajimi fo no doso enti Asiedu Nketiah kan kwasi asem bi eti se ya e wo se nka enye yen kan say prohibited to hear that from a leader na num no obeti so omo bo omo nsem wo ase ho de man se wo kanya nsasem then I ask myself enkrofo na nkwasiafo we di omo anim omo su ne omo ban ne they don't think critically omo mi so omo ho asem akwa ikan nyansa be na wom asemi akwa yi kan politically say na tie da bi omonye enti so far as say fro chairman Asiedu Nketiah na waji din e wo man num among the stupid men enti no oba no begina no kan nkwasi asem bi e wo wiase nyina people will still proud they clap their hands for this man odi Ghana for atem na ye boy and some de mano. Asiedu Nketiah say he want to see the youth being thieves. Die ntia nipa da sani ko bokro no. Die nam so ema nipa da sani bokro no. Eni ahokyere. Enti say so mami adwuma because umami adwuma akromfo ema kromo a that automatically you are demanding me to go to become a thief. Say the beya police for benya adwuma ye. Mimi Deborah Chei me mo akwa papa. Say who to me hwe mani me ka chem say you are not giving me employment because enyasa ye nya kromfo a police for betata won akwachi wona. It is automatically means say you are telling me say you want me to become a thief so that the police can go after me. Asiedu Nketiah why politics for so many years. I don't understand why he thinks say the use of policemen in the town or in the country to go after thieves. Never anymore. Say the use of the policemen, exclusive use of the policemen in the country is just to go after thieves. The same way, if Asiedu Nketiah, someone like Asiedu Nketiah was such a position, ekokan wo manfufuro bi so abro wo jinabre titire wo amanyo semu wo manya ofiri mu amfa se bia Canada bi UK bi Germany bi a enka this man must to resign from the political career that he is. Very senseless. Sa asem na papa ne kan no, it shows how mediocrative sa papa na adwene said yesitie. But still I heard him kwasiafo 6 million ebo mu nsam de ma Asiedu so wakanya nsasem. Somebody who is directly telling you, say, we use a system to frustrate you and to deduct money from your pocket. Because as Asiedu Nketiah tra ho kan ye asekire nyina ne say, omo sheda na the system bi eji nkofo sika free wonsam. And after that, omo sanso use system bi di frustrate omo not to get into the because they already knew, said they cannot take them. And my question is, Asiedu Nketiah, apart from so you kurasini, papa panina or you kurasini, the other question that I'm asking is, say, 200 million Ghana cedis, and why bottom and ekodi? That is the question that I'm asking. Maybe I jalu kwako apian mwakwaba. Ye penny mubabia that 200 million cedis, why bottom and ekodi? Eye mahama na damfu bi ni amana connection na juma na enipa na oye that AI system to recruit the police services no oye mahama ni nipa bi ana oye Japanese bi ana Korea fo bi omode car be chair no and omo sa contract na. This is the question that I'm asking. It is unfair and it is really unfair. Say ya to abama waba be ye kandifo want to me enye adwuma amayen wase atwa wo ho abebo ye krono abeji 200 Ghana cedi from each person in the name of I'll take you to the police. Ye koduru ho a na wa ankasa so wase abe confess ya kan kire me say mo sheda na mo the system bi bo ho se de be ya ebe reject a lot of the people adentia toto any register na nyamia. Yes, you can say you're candy-for. Does it mean say you stay in the home and relax? Candy-for, any the one or the foresight. I want to admit, I want to recruit 5,000 policemen this year. Protocol, no, I will give it to only maybe 15,000 people to make psychologically to let the people know say it is not open for all. But because of cheap propaganda, they open it without any limit. Abramunim, the number of people that he wanted. And a more creative chaos. And a more robo a man for. And Crofona Mosi or Munti Amobaye. Namobe creative 24 hours economy a more money to me and cretino. And Crofona Bama Simon Betty or Molad Bail, so a mobile to more than 28%. No. And Crofona Mobile Moshe won Bosse Mobile, he live via free ho. Muyi free hwa. Mode fufuro bi aba ye fa ni D-levy eno kura no eho ne boss doso esne E-levy. Awo pia every Ghanaian pays. And more and more and more. What's your chow? Aqua cobon chrono, aqua 200 Ghana cedis a free on the bottom. And they are multiplied by 500,000 plus people. Omo ebe to forms will be. And they are amount for a bottom chrono. And the amount down for Korean. Some for AI may recruitment. Yankopon be Tiamoka and this is from point for. Yankopon will be Tiamoka. Now, as I'm making, you may not, you will say, Ras. Oh, Kasabet, we have not seen any evidence. Evidence here, when say, Asiedu Nketiah confess, yenti na yentuado. Tie.
Madam Asi, recruitment ya semno mwakano. Bene muntaka, ebe kwa koka huasem. Ne ya hwese bibi wokwa, asense yenu wokwa. Na yetini ayenu. Na die, ama kasa na adoso, ene se, onze, yebuye nkrata no se wa ope police faudi brano kosita mo ye close no na nipa wo mo ade applications ya ba ya ji wo mo tum se wo mo qualify first phase no na wo mo dodo ebo 500,000 obi e police mo ako enti na no credit that one say enyo bia ni little fa because happy Ghana police for our police no say kwa no mo nuru sa enti o ka say o fa Ghana for 500,000 e de akogu police no mo so obenye sika atua o mo ka kura no e he for the ekochi wo
So at the assembly ye pa, assembly Asiedu Nketiah kan wo ha no. Amanfo e ball mo nse na mente ase no. O say according to him, any padodo omo Ghana police men no. Omo nuru 500,000. Enti sa for additional 500,000 e de kokon mo ho a. Akromfo ben e kwa akochi omo. This is where I get anger because I never knew say the purposes of a police services in a country only to go after thieves. I never knew that. But a big politician like Asiedu Nketiah is now telling me and you, say, the reason the NTI and I'm so for police for Juma and say they are going to protect Ghanaians against thieves. They are about security issues. They are not out of it. This is Asiedu Nketiah. The man, the leading Ghanaian politician, a man for cherishing a bomb munsem de mano. And I wonder myself, how can a concerned citizen of a republic called Ghana who be cherishing such an mediocrity mentality of this guy? How can you do that? A disgrace to Ghanaians. So become kwasem say chere war. Say he don't want you to come into the police service. Or say won't police service now upon na police and people were clapping their hands for him. Listen to what he said again. Listen. You see people are clapping. Listen.
So when you see how you are for the
And so this is the mentality. Say nipadom no ko police adwuma akromfo emakrom. This is what Asiedu Nketiah is telling you. And he's telling you say that issue no say akromfo emakrom no a problem. Enti kwan ben so na ebefa so ebenya akromfo okrom. We should reduce the number of policemen. Jimmy Nkwa Jimmy Kekan and Kwasia Kekan Kwa, no sense. No sense. Jimmy men or more in two peppers, the building of the nation. are those who using the mediocrative mentality to pull back the country's development. I Jimmy Fonkwa, Yantuaso.
Any vacancies here, you bet me there for police for. Now I have 5,000 pen. It is a 500,000. Who you move 5,000? And yet you are emerald. And until mistake Kakrabi and near Jansu, let's just say, oh, Cotranche. Mistake Kakrabi and near Jansu, Cotranche. Why, Yanasa? Why are my first 5,000 and 500,000, you know,
yes, the Asiedu Nketiah can ye or say, and nam say have nipa 5,000 for the police service. Nam nipa 500,000 and a register yentino. They use a system, or the AI system be. Eshe moi, not the AI say, ebe mo a mistake. We a mistake and a pamwa for him. But my question, but be a question no one me bisane say. You can say leader, any nipa, nani ehu beyond the present, the immediate effect of something. Leadership, no, any say would dream who and chili the bed to me see, enti babia yansa 40 or mine sono. Babia nim the 4 any D or mine sono. He him say before nipa 5,000 ye mie the registration forms on to ho emma kwan emma nipa 500,000 register. We limit it maybe to 30,000 to even 15,000 to 20,000. Now anybody him say forms when nipa 20,000 penny be to me ato because nipa dodo aye kwa kofa won no only 5,000. But oba ye side the hoba bi Asiedu Nketiah nom ne Muntaka Mohammed nom abufowura nom abufowura Mr. Madwanya firi mikrom mintumi nkom mikrom mahama yarega nom ato forcing enkrofo ye nkoto ambulance mero mutimudi hu sika ai Mr. Airbus scandal ono na ye president John Mahama na wo kuja to abra kwa no mutumi ewie sika gu fordum ene na asefo a this is what will happen. It is not about thinking of the people. It's about creating impressions. Say, it is about creating impression, propaganda, manner of governance. Any the omoyeno. And he himself before nipa 5,000. But yeah, that down crofono. I'm a nipa best 500,000. I involve with themselves. Who said there are movement going on in the country. At the end of the day, no. Register, no. They end up being robbed. And this is binance rob after say what do you bre? What we see omo bre? Omunyansani omo internet no why no. Wasanya jomo bottom sika 200 Ghana cedis. Medical checkups na when you will go, you will pay. You pay the travel when and it's hard when a course, no. It is two things. Timiyepa. A two agenda normally at this police recruitment. One, to extort money from the poor Ghanaian. Minister Kwasi Ampanyini Benin and Croft for making sure say omobaji sika free amount for bottom through these forms. Second, it is a propaganda manner of governance. Here might be just to show say there's something going on. It's the propaganda at the part and also manner to rob the people at the part. Into among the boba and this is Asiedu Nketiah. Okasa na omo bom nsemmano. Minim de oka. I am na nso nti omo nsemmano. Yento ado.
The nyina say Sikano anymore. Next recruitment ya eda ye no. If you are from 5,000, you bet me increase ya say 10,000 and then 15,000. Let's just say akwanya no bamo a na obi a o pebi. You bet me I consider no so akwa akosim. nti esremo ebekwa akobo minister for na amane na de wo ho a asese de yebetimi aye de aye de aboa de twatwo so ye de kata ba se
entity asem na Asiedu Nketiah kana pa ye omo sheda and involve all those men just to make the masses be in movement. And that is the main agenda. Because yes, side nyansa phone him the Nibian him say me penipa 5,000. I have to have a limit slot to can say limit number of people made me register. Nyansani bia I was say program bibi etisa na unim number of people that you want to recruit. There were number of people who also team am kwanso team register. But enam say nye adwuma no person mo creating farmer amamfo no. Na mom no propaganda bi no mo person mo nye. Ye nyina nim say na anu others some John Mahama kogu ni ho anim aso Parliament on the State of the Nation address. Wankahwe okosisa wo ho okototo pipe so no the paper before. So the NDC is finding something to cover the most disgusting state of address and one of the most shameful national independent day masum. And this want to cover it with this cheap stupidity by involving the youth of the country moving up and down. You say, why you busy for nothing? Busy for nothing. They are keeping people busy for no reason, just for their political score. Now that they have started, no, because Asiedu Nketiah be oka. I see they need a kwasiafo in their party. It is only fools that will join the NDC. And they are not interested in the intellectuals because the intellectuals will ask questions. The intellectuals will resist on you and they will ask you to tell them something to convince them. They say, but to say, yeah. The NDC is a regional and your realistic issues. By belief, and yet tangible, and yet visible, and you hearsay in your mind, you can use it. Oh God of mercy. Let's keep on and give you more show. Because you don't get no kai. Ojina babi NDC for any catchrewo. Samoya moa, ye catchremo. Mahama baye, maduku ebomo, and one daso bomo. Imame estake barima. Himwakaba ye pa. Sami just from Hamburg, say stupidity, foolishness, and cheap mentality of Ghanaians will allow Mahama and his NDC to destroy the country. Oh my God. Now, where you're funny there. Asiedu Nketiah kai. Someone DC supporters. Ye carry a musimuntie. Jimini nkwasi atopambua mubu in campaign time. Mahama ba ye, mabra bono, sisa ye ben abem, mpaboa, dukwe, ebomo, enwa, daso bomo. Samusimu Jimmy, momentie.
Mayana ezu sepere. Mahama no sewaba, uduku kroya nye no anebo. Ompabu adada ya nye no anesho.
Yes, one fancy.
Dem kwasi afọ na play to me.
Tieniye pa.
Dem kwasi afọ na play to me.
Yes, and this uheni ya. And this leadership no. Omuni munkrofo oni omonkasa. They know the characters of their people and they know how they can entertain them. How they can let them feel love to the NDC by telling them stupidity. It will be a deal more home. Like I've intended to me so camera the NDC for from the morning to the evening. Adia chia. Nipo moko channel no suko no. Omo multiply. Hey, we NDC niya some of the NDC supporters. Omo how can say pa? Who do omo atem no? That no omo get more involved into the NDC. So Asiedu Nketiah will look into your face and tell you, yeah, them kwasiafo ne pay to me. John de Milo will tell you, say, this is for, ye mpa cratch for, ye pa Jimmy for no one ante. But still, you find people who will go there and do stupidities and be with the Asiedu Nketiah and his people. Yantu asuni yanko yanim because exam no be woho. Now, apart from all what Asiedu Nketiah has been saying concerning the police recruitment, you know, Metimaka say the internal minister ayedeng amamadi nkunim ewa asem bi ho.
And all I'll say
Nasem na asem okan ya amamadi nkunim wa asem bi ho ne say I say before me can say your nkrofo bi mo ho omo no wi. But we know omo nom ne fe ne moka wi. Felix. There is a pure political zone. Your nkrofo no bi wo ho a omo no moka wi. Na nkrofo na omo no moka wi no mayo mo yo na me wa ho odren na shika chi na hey me na okasa mo na puo probia nim nyansa na amuka shifo ene sa nkrofo na omo kasa ho odren so no. Many of them, no, they were recruited by the NDC, and they were promised them. Almost promise you, almost say they will let them go into the Ghana police. And also, so no munya ya omo de call collation centers because their brains were all affected by drugs. They went there completely out of conscious. Enti ato abaye yezu yeza ye bu atopa jeng. And this bedi akonwa I base ni no o se okọ akope I base ni no we push akese na not base ho a ogada nkrofo no wanum we base 15 good years ntam paper de mu edene mokade no so de osokwa akope police adwuma aye e de afide kosi ne so a we nen no bone na age ne mu afa Montaka Mohammed mpodi asi binum adwene ne nya adwuma ene ntia ka kire mo se nkrofo no hu omo wo street a na omo bu atopa jenjen no omo yese no eyezu eyeza so yeah sa nkrofo no bebre adwene ne nye omo nim de ye ka yamena meka the internal minister of today oyandisini o se nkrofo no omo su se yam form no omo adwene nye ebinum abobodam ebinum ye wi nomfo NDC fo asem na okatie
and all I'll say to our rank and file is that let's keep hope alive. Remember that when we were doing the police support, those assistants to the police, to the fire, to the immigration and others, not a single person went for interview. And that was 25,000. That was taken through the youth employment agency. And I want to believe that they are largely the rank and file of our party. There are so many other opportunities that we are opening. But I want to believe that all of us are very conversant with our neighboring countries. Without mentioning any specific country, you hear gunshot and you see the military and the police are those in those countries who are taking the lead in running away from hearing gunshots. Why? They are not well prepared for the job. All of us want to get professional and very, competent. And I want to believe that there are many of such within the rank and file of the party. So I want to plead with the youth that, for example, if we had even decided, let's say, oh, this recruitment, we're going to give it to only NDC pooling agents. Let us assume that we are going to ignore all other Ghanaians and say that, look, we are here, we'll take only our party people and we are going to take only our pooling agents. The last election, when we finished, the pooling agents were over 100,000. Because the agents that we have were about 110,000. Let's assume a quarter of them were only interested in the security service. So that's 25,000. Which method are we going to take 5,000 out of that 25,000? You surely have to then develop something. Because even if you are going to receive to only your party people, you should still have a mechanism where you will go through to be able to extract the 5,000. So, yes, those disappointments may be genuine, but I want to believe that we will continue to work very hard to create other opportunities that will be easier to give than just use one recruitment and try to think that you can use it to solve all the problems at once. You want to get a professional police officer. You want to get a professional immigration officer. You just don't want any person who will go in. I mean, I'm sorry to say this. We are having a challenge with people with mental issues in the service. You have people with drug issues in the service. All these things are things that you use, and through that, some people will fall along the way to enable you get, someone said, about the best of best.
Yes, and some you know, I can't know. Asiedu Nketiah so mo share than this system no. Ebu amanfo gu abontene. Papa we so ye the man in charge of the situation say that be eye we no binom adwene ne nya adwuma e binom abobɔ dam we mo ka we no dɔso nti adwene nya adwuma. That's what they rejected them. And this is what is going on. I think that the NDC has won by finding a way to throw out the NDC candidate or Moko contest here. In the same way, and Muntaka Mohammed Eka say, Omun to me fa NDC for money ye. But this is what I'm asking. When did the Ghana became a country for only party members? Yeah, for police for the NDC people are demanding say, say you find this for hey. Now, state capture, real state capture, and one some na ekoso. Who's send this for Nkwa police service more? Yawu, yawu. Me and Richard Mwako say Ghanaians should learn something from this NDC government. They are just useless. They are just useless party who just came to power, destroy everything the MPP has done. I agree with you. I completely agree with you. And this is what is going on. Yeah, no. Now, when you say I was saying something. Say, I did be the end is for almost taking near my very. Can I say, I'm taking near my very less weight. Bra, to me recruit to me a youth 500,000 no. Abra will for nipa 5,000. Because Sani Pana will recruit to almost a Ghana police ya 1 foul mono. And easy for them to join hands together to become a group to fight you. Sade you tuna. And nipa ote Ghana memo so pe police ya juma ya na ni so e shedada. And nipa ote Ghana memo. I was so police here Juma Yano, or you nipa be an issue a shidada. And so to me, Boabo and nipa 5,000 and 500,000 ano. Now from 10 and 5,000 to come and do the service that you wanted. Abra omwan amiti omohon in different places. Omun you feel frustrated that it is a dangerous thing to do as a president. Because indirectly you have connected about 495,000 youth. What creative society am I on? What creative connection for this 495,000 people? What put two or more together? They are mass. Sankrofono. Omu ye movement ya. So omu also say their own recruited police. A Ghana Police 2025, Yenshia, everybody will participate. And that becomes danger to the internal security. And this is a deal way in Juma. And in Tiasia for police for we go slot by slot. Yengadomo, here for soldier for we go slot by slot. Yen create massive what them call connection among those people. But with what we call governance, they have no clue about it. That's why the Asiedu Nketiah of my town will come and tell you, say, a police for no, they are meant to arrest Akoromfo. He don't even understand the main role of a policeman in a society. So he don't understand. The intention are man for a diginaso. I didn't that man for Benum to Mamma police. I said, want to tell me, say he wonder. In fact, Yewia Afenyo Markins, Eka Simbi Efa Hoa, Yenti Nemnesisia.
Leaders and colleagues, this is not MPP NDC, but it's a threat to our democracy. If 506,000 people have actually bought forms, then political leaders, let's be careful. If 500,000 youths are unemployed and they bought forms with the expectation of getting access, then let's be careful. Because 50,000 alone on the streets we can't contain. Let us begin to use this as a trigger, as an early warning to formulate policies that would help transform the country and stop the usual partisan politics. Government must come up with programs that will create jobs. We on this side are ready to help you, but you must help yourselves. We don't want social media ministers. We want ministers who will commit to introducing policies and implementing them with the aim of creating jobs. What we have seen, the 506,000, is a security threat to democracy if we have not paid attention. It's a serious security threat. 500,000.
Yes, and you have Afenyo Markins say cano. Because what critical community, one more identity, omudi and the unrecruited Ghana police 2026. What created in the amo dada? Sankrofo so mutu omuhugu the street of Accra. All the men, all the politicians will be in the room. So intelligence in the security service, you know, to say, when you want to employ, recruit police, you slot by slot. You kind a forms. Emani pabese bia 10,000. Ne numu ye bia ni pabese 2,500. Ne ye be another slot to make sure say you don't create a massive people or more intention or more plans to be part of the police. They have interest in the security issues in the country. At the NDC, with that knowledge, unconsciously, politically unconsciously, omo ankasa say omo asensene dua ano ena edi esi ho na yedi dua no yasensene ano ena ba bi yasensene yedi esi ho say ena mahama tesoro ti dai bebu no ewura mu ade ono so obepe. In any case, so this is what is going on. This is what the NDC is doing, and they are destroying the country. In fact, Yewura Jerry Eka Asembi Oha. Yenti Yewia we mrana. Let's go back to Asiedu Nketiah again on one particular issue, and then we go to the serial callers of the NDC. Omusu. Yenti video we mrana. Na video we here.
They promised the people 24-hour economy. And I saw the president, he was rolling a clock of 24-hour economy. And there's nothing going on. Speaker, and they felt that they were going to open the recruitment to 35 years. Critical matters. Speaker, critical matters, including those who passed English and mathematics. All of these were taken off just to do propaganda. And then you open, then you take 506,000 people, Speaker, 506,000. And then you took monies from them, 220 per head. And Speaker, that is not even the last part. Medicals. Speaker, those monies have to be returned, refunded you have to refund those monies to these young men. You use that. You cost one person to be running the program, TribeNet. And then once you are giving them to upload, then you put off light. They do so. When they are trying to upload, they do so. Anytime they try to upload, they write aptitude test. You give them 15 minutes to do the aptitude test. Within the period, do so. They spend more money. Then they are using money to buy data. Then the data is not working. Then the data vanishes. Meanwhile, you are increasing the electricity tariffs by 28%. This same 28% could not get them to even buy electricity to hold on to do their exams. Speaker, I do not know about you. Speaker, I do not know about you, but the unemployment rate is becoming a national security risk, a problem, and we are worried. We did not tell them that we were going to open it up to 35 years. We did not tell them that they could succeed by just going on and doing all manner of aptitude tests which never came on. Speaker, it's becoming a problem. It is becoming a problem. And then when you finish, then you come and tell us that Ukraine is 7,000 kilometers away. Meanwhile, you are here, you are already complaining. For people to go and now sink boreholes in cocoa farms. How do you go and sink boreholes in cocoa farms and then start using water hose? Pay their money, pay the 6,000. You promise them 6,000 Ghana cedis. Mr. Speaker, people are dying. Now you come and tell us that you have bought private jet. And President travels in private jet to South Korea. Is the jet for him or for his brother? That one, we even need that full disclosure. Is the jet for him? His brother only buys jet when the president is in power. We need full disclosure on all of these things. And Mr. President, these are key matters.
You were the majority in parliament, but the parliament is ruled by the minority because lack of knowledge make my people perish. We have about 187 member of parliament, our Mugu parliament. At the end of the day, the people who are in charge of the parliament of Ghana today is the minority. And then I just took my time to listen to one of their sittings. Brother. Hey, nim there. I say nim there. Who won fast so papa. You can see credit say the NDC people are ready to listen to who? Afenyo Markins speaking because they learn from him. Hey, unkurase for nkwa. Omuma microphone so comedy. Nsensem ni propaganda. They will never speak about policy. They will never talk about something with a mind, deep thinking. That be and this your money. They will always make propaganda. I can they cannot even explain it. And period. Teddy Joy and Wakaba. Or see period. Teddy Johanna. Wakaba. Period. They don't speak. They are just there making some unnecessary comment in the parliament. And asem na ekoso Ghana Police Service a crime. The bonny a kwamboni or mofa so the we sikafira manfo bottom. Now one sember dabi. Yes, a debia enchenche wo hona wonafe. To me so on ye ninka so. Enti enena mo se tumi aba mo nsam. Na mo bo kroma no krono a. Don't worry. Your time will come. And this is for today. Nimsa berebia mufra by moi. Mon crofo bebre de omoko trim. And 2029, some of you munya pray mpo na mafa kese mo de Cote d'Ivoire. Munya pray. Na man kese mo fa e de Cote d'Ivoire. Because of the intention of any NDC leader is not to make the people live in a good condition. It's to how he or she can enrich himself. That is the reason why they go. That is the only reason why the NDC man will force himself into politics. Nankrofom nanado danko kufa betna konyaso. Nanado danko kufa betna konyaso. Ye ka one of the people anka e was nanado mfa nensa ento ne so. Na man go through a lot of pains pa nke Ibrahim Mahama. But Nanado never did that. You know why? Because Nanado failed to say Ibrahim Mahama is employing people. He's giving people food, families. A lot of people are depending on him. So even though he has committed a crime, he don't want to go after him. If not, the crime, the unemployment percentage will rise and crime will become more. Nanado did completely forgave Ibrahim Mahama, even though there were a lot of allegations on Ibrahim Mahama. Because Nanado and Ibrahim Mahama or any businessman named Koswo. But now turn back and see what these guys are doing when they came in power. Sikani ben na wogana maimu ane ho bon wa manyo se mu a NDC for anko ready ni fie. Hwede ye chama wuntumi. Hwede ye chama wuntumi. Ne papa nie shatawa hwede nim guase ye de gu shatawadi. Hwede nim guase ye de gu no. Enye no nko a bebere pora domo kire. De na ode aye o. Enipa bebere Nkrofo bebre no say omo ko no omo ba. Hwe adubu ahe na enam ne so enne mo system a mo se mo de be chi amanfo. That guy invented that thing. No na de na adwene ko hansam fidie ne ba ya enne. Mo se mo IP address am wetu de chi bloggers. But because you see somebody is doing fine, and I read into, you will try to accuse the person of what does not exist. Adetia, yeah. Social Democratic Party, ayenti ehwasi baby ayefiriba. Yefre ya NDC. Mumbonje so. Mumu atopa Jane. Se per mon sabina mo entefemo. Jimmy nkwa. No sense. No sense. And abrofokane nonsensible things. And omoye. And to us, but in any case, Asiedu Nketiah say, men can't NDC for say in a call, yeah. I see so never call.
Mahama no se waba uduku kro ya anya no anebo ompa kwa dada ya anya no anesho
Yɛde nkwasiafoɔ na ɛpere tumi. Yɛde nkwasiafoɔ na ɛpere tumi.
Yeah, that is it. Yɛde nkwasiafoɔ na ɛpere tumi. That is what Asiedu Nketiah want to tell NDC supporters. Say yɛde nkwasiafoɔ truly na ɛpere tumi. Me Emmanuel, me mwakwa ba yie pa. Abusiamfo yɛnto aso ne yɛnko yɛnim. Now let's measure the politicians in opposition and politicians in power. When Asiedu Nketiah was in opposition, me this police segment to me de toho. You got different method, different issue. Asiedu Nketiah was one of the people. Na omo bashi na nado. Omo chabo na nado pa. Yeah, said Anado has caused what we call high cost of electricity, unemployment Ghanaians, and they were coming in with 24 hours to solve the problem of unemployment. Asiedu Nketiah kasana numa semunye. Now listen to this video. I'm coming.
For our economy no, the ayabaya ni say abai ebecha electricity boa ewo from kura ediama enyuma yefo mo beba adwuma anajo no mabeya adwuma enti mo amoye fundraise mo amoye welders mo amokura eka sene ne amanema mo hia electricity pa no mo penufo na mo adwuma emfaso aba mo a mo be sign ne na mo ba adwuma anajo use electricity a na ne boa eden akofom wo mo iron rods ene aye amu use anyama wode kese no mo be ye mo adwuma anajo a wo be hu se anyama wode bo be kofom pa aboa mo ama mo anya mfaso na maburu no so wo mo anya adwuma aye enti abana anteni a kire 24-hour economy num na muji tumu a eno aye game changer ewo oman Ghana.
Okay, enti miya fisherman me mwakwa bapa. Osi greetings to us. Miya mwakwa bapa. Enti asema Asiedu Nketiah kanyina wa hane se Ghanaians, especially the youth. Munka makuma ntumu yam because NDC ba ye the 24-hour economy ba ye be create employment. Light na mudi ye adwuma ye be tete ne bo so ma mo ho aye mo ha ne motumi afa youth na adwuma amama ba be ye adwuma. So because same way in opposition the expectation of the next person and say papa way ba obviously he's going to create employment for us to get job to do. That time Asiedu Nketiah was in opposition. The arms of the power, the powers of the country was not in his command, but also oba obekreti nyuma. Obema light bo aba form na adwumayefo ehwo ahenhan won na omo atumi dia fa nkrofo adwumaye. Minyaba few moments later Asiedu Nketiah and his gulus abeye aban mu mpanfo. Ene Asiedu Nketiah say Ghana for boys. Mumfa monsanye mo ankasa mo juma. Hey, politics is an evil thing. Don't involve yourself. Listen.
Any cashew farm, 500 acres. Sound party so. Now, person, obey as restraining, said Babia, oh, Mam say Topatu, Mam say Topatra. As I said, one casa so pay when you ma, or the round. Now they have one way, no ma. Now, Obi Bechobia, a ye, Obia Mechobia, Obit Nabo, one. Eti mi ekrani na mi dina ha. Me wa mango any cashew farm 500 acres. What you say? Eni na me dey me ho. Eni ti na mo ti say we here discuss we want me dey wo mu da.
Bebre kwa.
Because me ko fa aban sika.
Obo akotwa blocks for.
Eni ti mi no. Ensa no djuma emfaso wo. Me consider na emante mu bi na yabo chenku wo meeting no echi ho
Bajote ni ye pa. Asiedu Nketiah in opposition was promising people say Mahama buying eba e de adwuma bere won. And Asiedu the chairman of the ruling party. Asiedu Nketiah is now telling his supporters to say omo ankasa mpe adwuma nye. Omo mfa omo nsa no adwuma. Omo mfa omo nsa no adwuma eni agro because ensa no adwuma eho won
500 acres.
Ono ogina hoyi oye farmer. Asiedu, when you were in opposition, Abrana Ghana for mabunu etim so muni adwuma nye no. Papa, na o techre ma na eda wanum no. Na ye twa achichire de asensen ba bia na. Second question, Mr. Asiedu Nketiah. Brana wo opposition no. Na adwene na eda utima wo de dwene ansa na wo de transmit aba wo techre ma so. Na wa pronounce no. Sa adwene no na ya hono te se okusieti ewo wura mu ana. Adenti a wan kan kire Ghana for you to so omo involve omo ho in their personal business. Ene na beboa won. Na mbomu kwedi ntro kire won se 24-hour economy bi ba be save won. Asiedu. Won ni pabone wa wiye. Ene the reality has catch you. Ese kama is a rare. Aye, ese kama is a rare. Ene ese se wo tubo etware asuoframa. Enye saada na ena obeti wa chimfe ne ya. Ebre beba. Ebre mu ena bekire de wo ho. Yankopon fa ne boa oto na onto ne ntem. Ene the reality is out to say a politician bi begina wanim ebe ka kire say beto abama me na will make you find a job. Memma wa adwuma ya. Say no. Eye lies. Eye yenka ne say mischief. Eye out of dishonesty. Eye disrespectful. Because eye ntro actually no. The outcome will be say manya tumi na wie fa okwasia kona kotena fie because ye den kwasia fo ena ye den ena pe tumi. That is what Asiedu Nketiah will actually tell you before after he has become whom he wants to become. Listen to this. Yes, and to be born man, I said, "Nkwasiafo ne tupe to me because what Jiminti me ba ya me ba be kanchire wo say me ba na ma be bie nyuma de ama wa misa me kwan ya me fa so a me de be bie adwuma na ma." Do you know what is the hey? If NDC is a serious party that wanted to actually do something even 24-hour economy be create employment ama amamfo na nya adwuma ya nke ye simple mobile na nado danko Akufo-Addo adikan a build the foundation bi ato ho a ye friend one district one factory. Send this year very serious in what they promised to the people. Nka de ombayane say they needed just to continue with the Anado's idea to make sure say many districts will have their factory and produce something. Anyway, district bia enipa 50 mpo na obetuma employ omo through the 24-hour economy. You could have used that one to say ya share gradually no yebeko yanim and we will expand the workers here. That be omoba no. You see the agenda. Saying the 24-hour economy no. Nipa na oye the policy maker na or see 24-hour economy or the bano or see initiative for Emma ankura nya ahoɔdene aban so on asene ma omudi bi enyuma saa de na ye no enya de pantine watwam. So what makes you think say he was coming there to create to make you find a job? It is normal. Here them kwasiafo ne pe ye pe de to me because nyansani bi one DC supporters ni bi no mumu a nko be some say adenti ye one district one factory na ye de ani hu bi na ye factory na betumi afa nipa adenti amon involve much money in that na momma adwuma no nko na nim na yemfa mo nipa dodo na mbom mugu nyuma. This is what a wise man, a supporter of his party, I was saying komisa omo, but they are there, they are dancing and they are crying. I am this in it difficult na within 2 hours tabo not be no usu ada yo se common. Now listen to what this man is saying here. And this in EBC osu adenti o se common.
National Serial College in Texas.
The common demo.
A comedy.
Oh.
Ye na ye say ye number no so fidie ye number no dey. Ehwe. Say ye na yakwa tete adodode na side aba.
Na wan ya peni mun twen kakere.
O say me awa de bia me ba ha me catch say me wo me time period bia
what set the
ma set the ato say eso na say me nsan ana say me nya de me nya ya.
We ja party na.
Me nya party but me nim de me ya me de me nya de me. But as a leader, kendini a me di amanfo anim. Sende
bi wa say obi esu ndis obi ase.
Ina me say me no na ye dwuma. Wo ye sentroni. Uye uwia ube ye kasa wia ube ma another minute. Ye de be phone in ana me boa. We di come of phone in. Another ube samo.
That is the time no wa.
Sa pepe. De bia no wan kan se munim se de edwuma na de etie. Sende obi be join us of a free radio so you know how it is. Dem ka so atma say. Obi be join us of a free radio so unim se de etie. Inti sende ansa no okwabra no betime ewurem kwamponya some few minutes I dey akasa no ubo so kita phones miesa no direct the same number. Let me bre text kwampo no so wan kan so ube redo WhatsApp message uhu message say dey eba na nipa da se ni benya adaje atena se ati radio hu a day obi okwabra no timi free radios be 8 9 yenua be masule no krasa 7 nani oye disabled nani hu ade o but on Friday bia
yeah
say nipa no party about power aman or sorry baby obeda krapa den aye de ama no
baby obeda aye de ama
me na me catch out send dan ka onti na ono ani fie
okay
onti ono ani fie ne waka so o baby oti na ono
party ni nko pedan man
na me say na say ye man bibi na say support no ana say ye man no ade bia because na ye disabled for omuye dwuma say ye pe baby de man no na say na at least bosume so na so benya kakra ye de apodwa ono so ni income no me mpere ma me hu sisi a yes ye ma me amepe but me chita for omo di mechi members na omo ye de omo di echi na de bia no hwe ube
sawa se de na mo pe
me say
ye ma musika
enye sika
ye ma modwuma
opportunities bi e wo ho bi e wo ye de ma
opportunity ebi ti say
ebi at say in the security services omo recruiting crop ye wo college omo ye young
so mo fa process ni mo
na me say me
no but so omo bi to so mo fa process
na me ka say me ka se ma kire o se uko ka kire obi say ende say le
apati esu and this man yokonom na de ya ne say nkrofo na omo ye adwuma ma Mahama bedi akonwa na omo su no Mahama ene na Mahama na no crook guy or a very crook or a very very crook guy. What top private jet ya indirectly and what top private jet and or the name. The idea na nando danko kufu ado pass our private jet to move around. One kofa. And then this form a soon ATM. Mahama has the money to buy a private jet, care courtesy of Ibrahim Mahama. Eye Mahama property. Papa na tumi ahwe yanima koto private jet $70 million. Okoba bi ana team. Yebisa na yesi patron kwa na yeto. What is the meaning of conflict of interest? Mahama can be impeached from where he is. He is a property of Ghana. And he cannot decide to go or to move around the world by going in the plane of someone, his brother. This is a practical example of conflict of interest. Entiana Ibrahim Ahmed PBB ewa aban mu a. Why na be kan kire nse da bi. Obanyansafo yebu be yen kan asem. But the full soldiers no omusu ene na ye me ya no. Enkwasiafo na atopabuo no ye omo no. They are crying. Me even san kama mo akoba. What is a mirror? Full soldiers na sprr na ye omo de ankasa no. Enkrofo na anajo na omo nam nsuom. Muko wuram afuom omodi ntrochire kokọ akuafo emo akuafo bayere akuafo aburo akuafo tomatoes akuafo sankrofo no ene they don't have somewhere to sleep, but Mahama and his family has become billionaires of their life. One way Jimmy, because he won crofobit to say Asiedu Nketiah. Through comedy, he will let your foolishness come out and follow him because you're a fool. Even say NDC is a useless party and have useless leaders, my brother. Yeah, it's very ashamed. I am very, very ashamed. I am very, very ashamed. MPP amanyoko. Nanka nanado ama Gabriel Sheda akwakoto praying. MPP leaders would have come out to condemn that and demand for explanations. But they are d'accord because dibi mami ni bi na yenwia do. Dibi mami ni bi o na yenwia. Dibi mami ni bi na yenwia why? Why the boss anyumwe? Me akukura mpanyfo. Me akura sa me akukura. Zawate. The omo yo no. Di mami ni bi ena ekoso. Ena grassroots ni so. Enti apati na aba party no. I'm telling you, say Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia, he is the next president of this republic. Hey, when you campaign with over promises, you can win. But the management of your promises can bring your downfall that you will never wake up from it. And that is what is going to happen to the NDC. Now, hey, maybe I can't send you an amount for Antiasia. Na enti de bemsa senti enkrofo no moto abama Mahama biribi atwem no de bempa ene ba wo mu a wo mo san ekoto aba foforo de ma jo Mahama because you see enipa onim na wia ye ma de ensa enkoso kane ase ye kwa akohwe nanim wo yes you are deceiving yourself. In fact, the voters of the NDC, the coming of John Mahama II, no, omo to abano, omo ankasa deceive omo. But listen to this video about what Mahama did in 2012-2016 in the energy sector. Kwanya offer so auto light him to the tune of 38% of increase in the increment, second increase was incremental. In the energy sector, 2012-2016. This time around, just in 2025 alone, John Mahama has increased the bills of light bills to a tune of 28%. And Crofona no more promising to give you cheaper light, you know. They came in and they are the people who are actually giving you high price of electricity. Just we know, before the election, I told Ghanaians to say, a few way after the election, some people before you lose sukrana, any problem. Because we will let them live uncomfortable. Due to the fact, say, now me no say. The videos evidence, papers, newspapers, online portals. Keep a record of every stupidity that will come from your mouth. And the brand said, they are going to give them cheaper price in the night. No, I stood in my studio here and I'm a catch the Ghana for say, we are see baby a piano. Who use light and a joa, ne boy form because it will peak hours or what, ne boy a was and then a daytime. And today time we use lighter, ne boy was nonsense so be using an ajo because an ajo a low peak time and the pado doing demand the light. And ne boy yedre. But Asiedu Nketiah in his intelligence believe he said some Ghanaians are cheap and they are non-critical Ghanaians. So he came out and lied to them, said they are coming to give them cheaper light bills. But then the Abani said, the Mahama who promised of cheap light is now selling the lies at a higher price. This is what Asiedu Nketiah said during campaign time.
For our economy, no. The ayabaya say, abai ebecha electricity boa, ewo from kura, ediama enyuma yafua, mubeba juma anajo numa beya juma. Enti muye fundraise, muye welders, mu kura eka sinini ya manema muhia electricity paano, mu penufo, na mu juma emfasua bamua, mu besaine. Na mamba juma anajo use electricity na ne boa ede akofom wo mo ya iron rods ene ya mu use anyama wode kese no mo be ye mo juma anajo wo be hu se anyama wode bo be kofom pa aboamo ama mo nya mfaso na maburu no so wo mo anya juma aye
enti aseme ohone Asiedu Nketiah say the light bills are going to be low. Bra Ano yate in this country say, oh, one of the serious emergent problem Ghana and a lack of sustainable cost of electricity. Light a poor for. But they promise to give you a cheaper price. And then for domestic use, to light. Now we factory will produce. Oh, say the white in the agro. Yeah, the white in the agro. Yeah, bought is a totas. Ya fault is a rubber bora. Titne young crano. Near Tim Sap polythene bags near Boabo near the second year she gem. The second she gem near the Anumanu Maswa. And the Numanu Masunina, na baba ye bo, na ye bo, Sabon and you be out there. San and Asiedu Nketiah NDC for the Ghana youth, especially in Crofomudi NDC. Ye bomb total sa, OTT and fire one dear chamber fufro. And Crofom so did free education. The meaning is people should not become elect. You should not become reasonable person. A banner they cannot lie to you. But me, I want you to listen to Afenyo Markins video. And Yema, it shows say Mahama is back again. He has still remained incompetent. And incompetent is the name of John Mahama. 2012-2016, Mahama to light him. Boom. 2005-2028. Just 1 year, 2025 on Kwa. Timia to light him 28%. The video way. Now Yansamala back to studio.
Let me refer to another suffering of the ordinary Ghanaian, electricity tariffs. Mr. Speaker, to go down memory lane, in 2015, we saw electricity hikes going as high as 31%. Mr. Speaker, in the second quarter of 2015. By fourth quarter 2015, electricity tariffs had increased to 59%. Mr. Speaker, in total, under the previous NDC administration, in 2015 alone, electricity tariffs increased by 90%, whilst water increased by 88%. Mr. Speaker, today NDC is back. And what do we see? On 3rd May 2025, electricity tariff increased by 14.75%. On 1st July 2025, 2.45%. On 1st October 2025, 1.14%. Mr. Speaker, on 1st January 2026, 9.8%. Mr. Speaker, that's put together a total of 28.14 in electricity tariffs alone. Mr. Speaker, that is a record of the NDC, and that is a record that the president did not talk about. Mr. Speaker, this government has...
You see how disgraceful it is. President Bako obediga na konyaso da bia light na ne bokosro. But in opposition, they were promising differently. Where yansafo enkomodie, fabitu ti na fabitu kotodwem. Yankwaso na yen talk about this matter na yen share a phone lines on tum. This is the matter that I would like to discuss about it a little bit. And then yes, NPA increases fuel price flow. Petrol now at 11 CD 57 peso. Diesel pegged at 14 CDs 35 peso. Minya be ma oheme. Yes, I hear me do. Mimbo nsamo. Now I'm talking about this because of kwanya enkrofo bi atwam. Omofa so a commentary about fuel prices, effect of external shocks and other things. And this work actually says never be see a koso ewo mindful be more. It should not concern the Ghanaians. Entine, my question is, entine fuel ya ne bo kosuri. Ah, yes, ntokwa bi esi wo Iran ni Israel for ntem na mapatro ne bo kosuro no. Eno no so no how come? And then the Ghana for you can we ask one. Asem we na me bisa na me de me bibia asi wo ha. Na be phone lines na to no so anya akwanya na so watumi a che wadwe. Enti video we na ma be phone.
Yeah, them kwasi afọ na pray to me. Yeah, them kwasi afọ na pray to me.
Yes, yede nkwasiafo ene petumi tumi ne ba na yede nyansafo e de aboye ho na de age ani na de joy na de aye enjoyment. So that is what is going on. Abusia abie phone lines na tum osu tumi frɛ na watch the wadwen ye ba ye nche ye nyina so nche ntentem na ne abɔ ne hwita ne ye ye firim. Enti abie phone lines na to musu timi frɛ na watch the wadwen on all what we have been talking about. Once I hear trend say amamfo ebeba na omo akire omo adwen no enti afanyoma akens ni video we na ye de trend ko. Message so say oba ye won like video na message say like mame. On share ya meka cho say share mame. On comment ye so message say comment mame. Na me hu na mentia. Hey Ras Media GH on YouTube and on Facebook and on TikTok. Message every mature coin on all the various platforms, you know. Na support to me ho. Emi juma die no enko nanim. Juma ye eya wo de say die juma enti se brewo a. What you can do to support me is to subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment, and actually faunsa tiano esi you can say adomano so said ye be ya me ba life bi a wonso no ubenya kai bon ten semaba na one me abedi juma no abie phone lines na tum na mabie phone lines na tum no so no na muntie video we answer.
Let me refer to another suffering of the ordinary Ghanaian: electricity tariffs. Mr. Speaker, to go down memory lane in 20...
Mame Esther. Good evening, Mame. What you saying? Mame me Joshua, but you are to say. Yeah, Dayanko. Oh, me hoye pa tiefo nyina so eje wo so. Yeah.
Nkula ne madam hoye.
Obi ahoye pa, obi ahoye mame. Mame.
If the study put Ghana for say. Because Obia didn't know fine. That dream so.
Baby.
That dream it's also.
Yes.
Mr. Mafo.
Mami.
Mahama play.
Yeah.
Ibrahim Mahama.
Keketesi. Yeah.
Mahama, Mamin Casamuncho. All the no mutu position. Mahama Sika used to Ibrahim Mahama. Extremely baby will shut it. I will be the answer.
Yes.
I'm a Freeman and me and yam our America friends can be.
Yeah.
And then the Buscata Freeman said, Ghana 40 Ghana na a commodore woman or moose on. Na Mahama after play. I want them. Mahama Yenny Paboninia, Mr. Marco. Go and the shirt them for. Go, Mr. Marco.
Mami.
Who can't take the near to Shannon? Almost the for do a maca a judge for no money at the Kedetia. Or money at Sophia, and then you cut up of craft, who cook myself for a bag, the baby for show. Kedetia from 4 years. What's the requirement to you? That drew us and now quite in a mental fire now. Dear shoe bag and near the pot. What's the idea? The cocoa near the econo, the cocoa near the econo. Not the tenor. Oko for a duo musica, never before the other.
Baby, Yan, I said, be out your school for you if the one club of field that.
Mahama, after Tico was the cattle. Mahama, I'm a cocoa for a kia. I had dying at I'm a dead before and yet to talk or moon them. What did I want to say? A you for Mahama, some musica, after pot a ye, will be set a private jet.
Aye.
And the money near Ibrahim. Ghana, a good union, Mahama, Neto. Wapana Mahama, they catch out as a woman. Mahama Frosta, Mahama 419. Mahama and Kushamu, Mahama from 4, Mahama Cremenda. So what's the me bois, Pape? So en Cotian, me passant to Cotia. Fatina Pantanami and Santa Fabodria, near Red. Lena, what do you know Ibrahim Dia Tutuno? Say, what dear?
Yeah.
But dear, what dear? No, who say yes, who ya Bama? That's one to me, I'm good dear, now we have Bama, no, buy you do, Mama, so I say, Mr. Marco,
Get your pa.
Mr. Adiana Mahama, dear, it is what say. Ghana what's in a bois. Let's say, or sitting near Ibrahim, Mahama, your business Maya. Maybe say, be here as Santukosia. Yes, snap. Often for and Pantanami and Sato, not Mahama and Famudria. Naba Kuna Becano. When you find 2 things near rest. Mahama, so won't move with the click of finger. Because we are cruel, for we are Dadani. Mukatrama, you Mahama. We are criminal, Kasa, and I would do a manimu. Now, MP from penny for Maka Crano Maka or Parliament one. Makamun show Mutrasa.
David.
Yes, also to talk to me, the person who sat down at for say. No more Patuaba, no more Julian, we are Nimwana.
Yeah.
Because if you are not going to pay your Nimono. If you and yet because I'm suffering no, still winning I day, not our. It's the more and I'm a Mahama, Ninian, and you Asiedu Nketiah, for grounds. She has to come my mouth for to my wrong people, so you're majority in Parliament, what would you do for yourself? One more Parliament, when I'm Mr. Martin, yes, and even
What your mother?
Yes, and even and Pastiafon, we Sacrabia, or more, Papa Moon, mundu 10
David omo budget de kro omo kan omo ntia hye just MPP for church
ana omo tiwana omo jimie wo se ayi ye papa afanyo kata de omo ye
yeah
enkurase fo mpatiafo belle fo eni akoso so omo ba begu parliament wo etu omo dine no atom eno musi wo na mrene nkwomle nyina no ye ani ensama ye boni tiawa ese ni nyina fruwan ni nyina fri Ghana fo a wo mundidi enom nkwan eno kwoto aba e de ma kwasia panyini mahama so metna so maka wa wonti ase kwanda kwasefo because mahama oye krofo because Ghana sika na odi betua fofo ka Ghana sika na Dubai mu na triso mo ensamo ben na doya na ni sisi atia wo ba kasa wo tripi baro
ma beto aso
na doya sisi ka die wo tripi baro na doya ati na so na do na doya me say se na mi ya wo kakura na no mabusu wo mugu Ghana ebeku asana wo kura wo mraso wuti na ane na busuafo ato tankuru wo edi na atama se wafaye ejapade bu ma Ghana fo woni kofia nan Ghana fo pen ane ayi ya kan say pasia na wodi ta wuragu nu ko mu no wodi sempo Captain Smart edi na atam atifede bantaye papa nso anya mo hwe papa atumi de Ghana fo na Ghana fo amuni munyansa na pastor ya mani na ya fama di pakatra bi no media fo na ayi ya kan say e ma papa na omodu omo ba bi atu wo mo kon ho no
Trumutai fo no
montai fo no na do fasita ma wo mu ndie no ene ma omo fa na do mu tan because na do sika wone Dr. Mamudu Baumia no omo di sika no MPP aban no omo di sika no e di hwemo ma school at least se no omo di kura no omo ni mu na di tax sika no na so na omo ni hwe omo di hwemo ma school na do banya tan nyina ama Dr. Mamudu Baumia be lusu 2024 abako nyina eye sika no won fama ayi amanfo nie ayi obi be se artificial bam for no
yeah
omo bakoye ayi ya kan say omo ko twi wo mo ba bi ahisa so omo to no
yeah huma me ya fa no huma me
huma me for no omo na de na do ato tankuru wom ande media for kakra bi na media ni a no wonyansa no fi se de na do ye no ene wakatua ene da hono na me cash Ghana for say 2.5 years after them anim no embrace yourself then plane is about to let
yeah
plane no the runway never let it up into both seat back let's check ayi John Danaga Bahama ne customer fo nyina no me catch musa muya muapi muya timifo because Mahama ewia omaino at the man ho Mahama ewia omano e jankola sabita prato munni bi atwo e disikana for top plate akona mu owiem na awurade wo ho a obekasa Mahama awurade ebekasa amagana fo na MPP Nyankopon so akyerɛ mo sɛ yes kama eni akyerɛ kura kama ɛda wo na ho ɛkwan a mo de Dr. Mamudu Bawumia wotini bibia wo fa so ba mo na so sɛ mo ma yɛ nyina yɛ nkuta no ba ko ne yɛ nyɛ ma ne nsuo na mo de bi NDC ati wo a wo yɛ NDC yɛ ka ne sɛ spokesperson and answer we NDC
communicator
ene enkolano from the same for Gen Z
Gen Z for no
NDC Gen Z
Yeah.
no.
Yeah, I even san come say from yeah for nkwa
Aha, yeah, no me bra me that say. What would near Juna, ye did put my what would the other say? Yeah, but the other loot to a man, near real woman, near bro, massy. And this is for a big deal by your chronobo.
Yeah.
A Juna, you do pop book. And almost so they know that in around the world, say, almost support one citizen.
Yeah.
And the reason so you see the free home.
Chemimu.
The big day and near man all Lupina at the man of it will never be possible.
I see.
So what is the
Yeah, of course.
And possible that because the baby son say Argentina and Yemen when I was say your brother, Argentina for and we don't have any business person accept your brother. What you but the piano, what more than the war, and you dip mammy nip.
And then I say, and I am homaka, and I am your dog.
Kasa come now, or lose pen one another a breath. Kaisa a man who sharp my be. Ejira Jose, Muhammad your back, beard.
Yeah.
And mammy, who back
Mekaipa.
Ah, and no, I have Bobano. And next, now who can't have some phone to try MPP. Ma when you ya tam kucho near him.
Yeah.
Ya tam kucho. Gana nyo ni munyansa. Na what only munyansa no what tristed in your phone. A boss soon, yes, I know what do one more Jan and one at the United States. Nana do a honor. Now you see the big COVID Ukraine war. And I'm a boy.
Baby,
and there are some Namugana for who put him Hama Mudi to see an anado and about me.
I was Ukraine, Russia, Hoa.
Yo, Namuga Council to say. Na and so far now, honor, Nanado not playing go. A pompa. But be silent. But be playing to once a month. A bunch of what? Yes, triple with COVID. As I said, who live in our day bow man more. Nana, Triamuninamu teacher worker. Or Triamuninamu nurses worker. Or Triamuninamu doctors worker. Doctor, I will walk on here. Also, what me. I judge this war near Triamuka. And nay, more you can say more. My year, Mukatana from Musicano Mukatana, the moment of a prayer Muslim.
Say it to your salary. Salary near
Daddy, or the Capudra be or more Patanasi or more Jay, even Santama Buame.
I will say, I am more parliament than Anna. I furnish Article 20 for your furnish as gracia of the one. Yeah.
Then you're getting in the mamma. Mahama buy a baby, your mom must get Tiomuka. Lawyers to the planet judges upon the brilliant Tiomuka. Plus, look at you putting in an hour MMD one.
Yeah.
Yeah, MPP, dear, one Tria Wamuka. One Tria Mawam. But none of that with COVID in Namu, the mamma. Nana, who so send me, Mammy, what mammy, yes, and none of that will you give it for.
Davida.
David. Don't come and move to Baumiana and not by no way for
Davida.
Now, Mahama, that's nothing. Access a woman, Jenison and Ado. What will buy a man who will be my but vice president, a woman of Sadamon. I'm Mariano Sadamon. Yeah, actually, they answer this weekend as the next week. Yeah, Papa, you marry us in the through vice president and so. No, my dear, and Traman for fair. Yes, or your vice president. Ma on Papa 1 and 2. Into putting up the way and perform up 2 phone call for your vice president. Yes, the vice president for your papa to Dr. Ladi Mahmoud Baumia. And yes, I'm a man. Nagana for me question me Busam said. that you be the diano monquayana.
Yeah.
That you better to me a papa so be more wajuna na me to me na sumi so because me just sumi so at the better na me konya na ya me ya. Mana musu sumi ma adwene. Musu me na wo da so na ma wajuna no. E wo ene, wadwe na wo ene. Dia mahama baba ye wo, e wi ase wan na wu se. Adwuma be ya 133. E wi ase wan na wu. 24 hours. 24 hours is the demand. Company no what dia we ya you need to recruit more people to work.
Yeah.
So ya omobe run shift.
You be could upon a back country one or Bashas.
Yes, because demand no so who Mr. Mark Befa, Mr. May Befa, if I say Befa, it's in would open up person one more order. It's one nearly probably I want hours of when I want this. Would demand the form or would demand the other? It's true.
Yeah.
It would hear more people. So I'm a bad day. I'm a bad day. Number 4 years, Asiedu Nketiah. Mr. Mark, who would drink at the Asiedu Nketiah? Oh, you wrong.
That's how I say, come on, come at home. So, Moon, you may
There be or no better president yet. Or the president yet. It was Sabbath festival margin. Na afa ko di no bi say ya and this one no e be ba be po abadia ma no e no wo dadam no wo ye de o ye sisia no e na onam se de no wo onse no mo baba no o bu kumplasie tresi ka ma himfo no e ma himfo ni be be ni o mo profo ye de e ka ba ye e ti na ye to de ma mahama no e wo sana masie na we die na nanum amu adimifo na mu ji sika na mu ji sika na mu ye de nya nanum nyina wo adimifo wo nanum a wo mo we nkola no nanum no a wo mo ba bi enka wo ma ha mu no nanum a mo ba ye wo mo nje japade o ka se nje japade so wo si da wo na wo nje japade ama ni pa na
David human capital yes
any the way ya wo de to Chromafo no and only a Japadia because the Japadian would see Chromafo. One to tobacco, one sit there and tobacco, still Chromafo no cremu and promo. So what I say, would that be unwooden crack at the better to Chromafo? What catch and say, but where to us, you say. The one ya now will say, who for them Mahama briber and not better what any baby.
David.
What bona bro, and bramo bre. Nana do statue was still. See, I see him for the sis, I statue in the man and
yes, you make a pie.
Some none year before no. What in a bed, it's not an advocate.
I will be a yin and it is a Monte.
What in a bed as a another Baba year to the mamma. Oversee a street defense at the mamma.
Yeah.
What in a bed and a dinner horse, hey, Akola. Many among and me or anyway, and the Mismanagement that statue. It's not yet Adam could add a drink statue and Musiki or the man and Adam. And we bet your Muninamoka. When I make, we bet your Muninamoka. And the medical cano. Embrace yourself because Leno, a belly stay up. Mahama, no past the a friend will obey no call. Now I tell it to the king at home, obey Wayamam.
Uncle Quayenu, the Krum for them one and no moon so bra.
Yo, what did Nana what some say? I galam say, Nana, I acted what this time I would miss them.
Yeah.
Only Yamia, Chow Kakana, Yakupon Mahama, no one knew Yasset. Yamia, Chow, no Mudamu, Parliament one, and then Yakupon knew Yasset. No, bomb ball. Let's be said, would catch it, yes, sir. Nana would buy wood, you pay a best of Galam say. Who buy a finier, the whole Ghana is Sunina, and Daniel. Milo, any choco Milo. Mahama, Yame, one whom or bomb. Would that give me Yare? Mr. Mafu, Mammy, phone fear,
but that's my master. I mean, count.
On council.
Yeah, my Esther, and I attended the I was young for Lion, you beat them, who suit me for it. Na wacha wadwen ha Ras Media GH. Yeah. Faunsa ebo adoma no so. Faunsa bo adoma no so. Na Madre se me ba life bi a obenya notification se ma ba no abe support me na ye de adwuma ye so. Mimi Evans me wakọ aba. Aja, good evening to you, senior man.
I guess the Mahama or Pemiachi no say what they have to IP address.
And this Odu who see.
It is the more what I want to Pemiachi.
Akwa wenye ni papa.
Or
the papa too much.
Video amafu my member when I was the mentia or I was a phone in our war platform. Why you know, sir? Now me a member.
Yeah. Manya trouble. Yeah. Jimmy monetization every some best 2 months in here.
Because now me I'm saying, Omonti me Omonti me so I'm saying I'm from private.
No, yeah, a matter of now. I'm sorry, so I pretty hot. It will be fine.
Very good. The na me chair out of 40 people. One cause one almost share page on that film like na. Pharmacy is local. Now, Uri Amafu.
Mammy.
Wow, me the catch them say. And this and your party are more route.
Okay.
And this need like only tradition. So because the NDC was traditional, or match them say almost tradition to say and to say. And the NDC forced to buy in a say, and then NDC for now almost see an own. Omo yet to see people for now, Kwame Nkrumah or the Bishop Muma from communists and socialists. Who say Omo Sakara Tanu Mumu say, Omo Kasan de Omo problem piano, Omo finding
solution.
Omo finding will be the channel.
Yeah.
And this in the known TV, you can pronounce or one called Uncle Yepe. But Abrabako year or think is a wow on what you are successful. Woman Nawama or Bre. And the Oma colonize or Mokra for Nabina to the stand say, or no, you couldn't quite Yampona or Yandis in Nasa Mahama catch and say, said you will name Yansa Crampona, or he said, Mahama and the Kayan Quadia, a good say, winning Yansa. Say, Asiedu Nketiah can say, there was a phone a bit to me that Yazakwa would be anymore, and this is and this near yes, all themselves grassroots to know who is there. Asiedu Nketiah can papa no upon some grassroots man. Mese many papu be na nam goma. Na send ya kwanu subanya si aye no. Sadi pa some perform so. It difficult for you to convince them say.
No.
Yeah, would the package no kwasa some no can so still. Very good. And the Omo Nipa and a man this will base you because all Ghana history more. And as in Africa, across the general political party be a form no true revolution or last. They don't last because apart from say party nankasan any foundation
any principle
any tradition and any principles be follow. It is a metihorm that's what we catch them say MPP Beguno. Yeah, good MPP. That's any panel or Nimni Walker. And I won't Nimni organ because MPP was built based on principles. And then Nippon or more classes or more builders are UP tradition. Or Monya was a powerful. They call us capitalists.
Yes.
Yeah, conservative. Yeah, the argument, yeah, the name, yeah, be my own. And now we have MPP, now we MPP for in general now. MPP name okay. What you want my own in and you now every Obiaho.
And you make a choice of monetization. Yeah.
When you say Ghana year, now we have been your opportunity. I buy Numa. And my own.
Yes.
That's how why MPP no most of we MPPs now, members now, if you say MPP money so Uru Ghana forever. And they say, my troubles be especially I to buy a babu.
Yeah.
Because Abano Exanomabia, Ebemati Munino, what you might know. And Nubina, but we are by our seat, be a friend of mobile money interoperability. Some mobile money interoperability. Nanka, and this was more than $1.3 billion.
Yes.
But Dr. Muhammad Baumia in Nimbium, or they just $4.2 million. They didn't even opportunity or ability, are there even $10 million?
Yeah.
But but make us a constitutional. And this is for some 133 agenda, 24 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours, they a job for everybody.
Yeah, job for the boys.
Job for the boys. Or more for Parliament, say, Gusitano, the catcher Ghana for say, Obetumaya, $4 billion. Just don't be there in billions. And then maybe some question be said, so also the $4 billion, 133 now. Say, how are you going to do it? So question when me who nyansa ni bia or Ghana and I say anywhere in media so it is as obey the same 4 billion would say fine. Let's assume say 4 billion now you ready. Get usitano get obey anything. Obey for suni pa mana ko jina ka get your market so on ton watch and adwana. To be more. You see, these people deceive people with impunity. Yes. Defend this nonsense. So, defend this and was assembly. I'm off Asiedu Nketiah.
Yeah.
I dare say, I'm not for the Koyakma. Says, oh, buy a phone there and you for our cousin Stevens, no, or where man of me. Nketiah, baby, or baby, every bantama. Those days, no, I kept out somewhere, Nantes one. Now, of course, we are your baby, and now Omulodu, Uncle Nominates, what want me? Omulodu. Now, I'm for my 24 hours. Especially on Mom, one is how Mom got saying, oh, we have 24 hours. 24 hours, and I didn't tell because 24 hours economy, yeah, but 24 hours economy, yeah, man. Nippon and Nipa, Muhiano, because it is consumer driven. So I don't know when I'm for try. Maybe what is your man, maybe brother, that's a mimic from 8 and one, I'm for better the whole of the night. I don't know, me expanded mentors. I know.
Maybe.
Because I just said, Mama, I'm for Aboriginal company when you company in 24 hours.
David.
Maybe I know you will buy a company bank. I won't need any idea. I'm for demanding more. People want more demanding more, but for more workers up, on the whole of the day, 8 hours, no, we are on my enough. I make my supply or more customers. And by force, I make 24 hours. Send a bear, I'm for being fine. Even all our customers 24 hours for economy. Says you have opportunities of the police for near soldier for. Why don't you take me say NDC for purpose on employ NDC for now young people here? That's a population of maybe 33 million. I want that's a move 15 million people in Maya. Yes, was a Ghana. NDC for Maya from Obeja Ghana. Also, when this branch. So, who hear this bomb branch best 100 in Homa? A Musa to 7 from. Yes, for one bedman. And he said, "Oh, when you let me Yaduma, not some people, and people the inquire fast pay,
of course.
Do you not tell me almost one day or Ghana and that's almost across Europe? Yeah, and people for boys no more because yet they himself, a sending person who would me at man of the DD. But and this is full soldier, then himself, this are buying back and son of what made it. Son of one point that here, or one point now, more Ghana and that said, you can't, and this is why now my any power, Ghana or more Ghana. Besides, one day, politics, that's a view. What we bit Marcus away, you know. My example, they don't know.
Great.
But just university graduate about politics in that was why some media fee, they don't know. Who could you travel up a and can ask him? But when the certificate, why don't you put it? That was legal. At a mess in the general norm, putting the certificate, man. What the mechanism? There was set people. But these are the people who talk arrogantly.
Yeah.
They almost send a name more than that. Almost send a that's how people, all these useless people who they got the audacity to talk against somebody like Dr. Baumia, against somebody like Nana Kufuadwa, say you won't who hear that. But put him in and say, and this now, you can was a man because of money tradition. Rather say Bayaku, because of so Bayaku, because of say. Now, Bibi Nasio, or Bayaku because I don't know Rollins, one Niska. I don't know Rollins, one Namanshi. I don't know Rollins, no, they my mere Jessica. Nasa you as Cafo Morgana, or Makoya Santifo, or Makoya Abonofo, or Makoya Akaifua Sebio, or Mopro Mujani Toko. That's so far. A building of mansions, a bill of competencies. businesses all in the name say omo ye at the for Uganda ni na be dodo na no omo ya kanfo a se bio most of them ya santifo ni kwafo enti ade na omo de omutimi eye enti sa atem no rollins e kwampo se wo fie na se wo dan no a wo no authority mi kwampo ne wo ma e kese wo ye sika wo ya kwamfo na rollins ya se mo de be ya amafo bebre no mo kwaje so let the blood flow mami bi sa question bi wo ha se sa blood na flow nyina na wo ya sa kwasasem na na yakopo pe pia rollins ka wo bi wo bia no yakopo pe da so tian ka na atemu da so ho ma ho bebre papa sa blood na flow nyina no at the end of the day no otimi di propose areas na oko bi so mo mu se MPP for na ma Ghana nye yi ntino oba bet na so ma Ghana be 19 good years in power Ghana nya independence na no na Ghana nya 69 years free independence na yenya years na yenya na hwe nipa owu Ghana more Robbins rule 19 good years uninterrupted owu Ghana uninterrupted na bibia Robbins pese o ye bia no bet na ye Robbins bet na ye send Gaddafi ye Libya out in tell no out Gaddafi to me build Libya the sense Libya do baby na ka one of the second class world in this world Rollins nya 19 years no de yeden nipa na o ka kira mo se sa nkrofo we nu a omo de omo ye na mu na omo na ama mu nye ye wo wi na ko ja mo sen no be region ni voter region ni all these regions now Rollins nya vote and this voter nya vote how is the development over there
very poor
up now who's the development there said any ho
Dabi
yesterday and this Bonya platform no nya baby na omo hu ni say stay no omo mom na ese Ghana for mom di Ghana ko ya so he mami ma example bia na no ya and this for wo full soldiers at the good voter region bi no so ko voter region say bia omo ni ma de obebra ko school bi kwapo ya uraba fo hu omo so omo efe ko mo region ya the same people ko me dem fa akan fo kwapo mbam across their areas now omo ni abamon and so and this for your opportunity now not that 6 March ya on person omo ye the bibia friend no then dem so omo ko America the ladies of Bellon
yeah
omo anya obia o omo ko pe ni pa se bi o kasa ko met maka se ni Israel no omo nya ndisi omo na ko pe ni pa na ni mati not na kwa ko ye the program
yeah
akwa na ba na mo anom as why me here no all these guests top ladies
yeah
you see the kind of people we are dealing with them and this problem ni say nya on the one because and this ni bia o ye and this ni o ye typical this ni dan say omo wa ba mu de obekokro no obewie sika because okuta to say we one of the people ono no onya adwuma da so onya sika koto dan wo airport hill Sam George no nyina bia no man no we adwuma Sam George no just a national service e wo under Kukwa by mu no vice president Aliu Mahama may his soul rest and all these boys no o manya adwuma bia and o ma be ye say tam and o mo ba opposition na can start say some o mo say hey professor start bi
aye
sa no mo ma dwene yo mo nti o mo pa aban mu a o mo nwene Ghana ko ho na ya me mo say Ghana for do na da so dwene say NDC for dwene o mo NDC have never think of Ghana because the NDC for now thinking about Ghana say the road is started no say me ko fa free but the road is buy road is started say o ka say amafobia nyesika pam Ghana businessmen ekukum binom ese binom companies me say at that classes no me say if say what matters me na no now the companies are one of the mega companies across Africa
yeah of course
so all these companies now but one who office o person amafo companies but now no who person establish unia enti Mahama de me say omo pa say NDC bet na so forever say no mo so chair no na me bomb pa say ye penya leader bi a obe lead MPP party who is Dr. Baumia na on kwa no say na e pass so dem kan nyina be so retia no Ibrahim Mahama was starting enjoying life this time he have the time but Ibrahim Mahama be so far Dr. Chama won't me I swear to you
I say na
so far Chama won't me
na ho bon won e ma be
what say
me say na ho bon won e ma bebre mu nti he can never regret
me see obe break Chama won't me a onye boni bia o so NDC for jealous ni amoye yanti me ne o NDC ni bi jimi ni bi kasa o ka say e na ko yi gold na say obi ni gold wife ahun
obi gold ayira
ni pa no gold miner or gold company to yi gold wife that is how they think and then say unya sabi we and then say nyame na minya e bi wa so una na no papa ngobra o papa no na na nyina ba wiase no yo ma ju say nke so no mbeti ko no say enso bi mara wa bia na ja ko no me say kusas ni bi e put the play awuni o ka tell mo fa say on na ko ni ene dia ti say
Yes, me.
It is a while. I think you are having a say, I want to go by the will be so there. If you want to all you say, could be you, but the ordinary say, one of 40 out there, 1 year. Obey the next one, what for nothing. I can't be stressed and that is how they think. Omobeka, no man can say, and this is for all they have heard this tradition. Ever since I called the Kabima Minkan, I say democracy, politics of ideas and politics of programs near you. The Ben and this is what you say, Yanya by nearby, when the Emma Gana, Timoha Sunamopa by mine. That you wait, the Yerhobon, wait, the Mamma and the Niabo, Cassette, politics of Trapa and all this bigotry.
Nonsensical issues and nobody can pay.
Someone said your brother and you see a democracy, you can't hear a bit mamma many who are bottom and this one is Adam. Now, who about me, I bet it's now. Let Jimmy Bitty, but be no one but see a bit on or in the name of politics. Me was we are seeing a Kabima Minka. Yapen, I met my now, me man was one young home. And I got some pass for because of Ibrahim Bahama, filthy money. And you were frail, you were with the amount of jet, come by some jet nafa way my way, jet now come by some way, and now one year's can already sponsor for Parliament. And this is population of parliamentarians who's acquiring me, my message more than 187. What is a plus of Parliament or Parliament?
On Casada.
And so about the piece from there, you or the some kind of expressing Parliament. What you mean, Casa? And they have one would have Parliament. If you don't make a piano, yeah, and I get the man, and I'm going to do my you. And nobody of my name will sell money, never do Babina or money agent. Why, yeah. Now, Marco find this who are people who are the caterpillars. No, my babies will come up. I started to say, yes, smooth one, you must change. Yes, I do, Maba. Sana, what is better than none 2 years. Emma Gana for happy car. Then we are saying, open country from poor country bar. Or my Yakupo is not open one of the poorest country in Africa. Now, Ghana is one of them. For left this country, you could do middle class
income, yeah.
And so, Ghana was your mom. Ghana near or what me come over from. Now, the local hospitals who first come to Hayentia. Not Yakanamano. Or what can I go to hospital? I say general emergency. I run about you, I run your baby. I run about the no, you need your baby and dash. The Pajama or Banana, the home mamma, or Wam or Banso. Focus and no, this nonsense must stop and pass was for point. Some of one I woman, Nanya Miaduma, Yakuada Roma, Casani Banco, a bit of Samijan film. The business Samijan film. So, Sasamijan for your opportunity. Oh, I'm going to say, also what will be on your beginner say, or best was a woman here and Marco Disca. For not going to say, oh, I buy myself discontinue 1 people for body and people will be disca. Meanwhile, 1 people because will be an angel, will be an innocent. 1 people for baby are going to Fosca, but our professor people will be a gun of Fosca. Because I know, or move your from Magana Fosso,
in your credit. Yeah.
And church was one what you for every and from special today. Masaba, Mahamo, imagine Masaba today. Around.
Okay. I was your food judges, but I was even bringing. I mean, come bye. We Evans and come I champion Mike Seba Copa, and you know, the Italy memoir. I boy Jumar of Frada Haya there. We are not beautiful last not to suit me for not watch the watching. Microphone do much I won't know. Yentie video way.
Let me refer to another suffering of the ordinary Ghanaian, electricity tariffs. Mr. Speaker, to go down memory lane, in 2015, we saw electricity hikes going as high as 31%. Mr. Speaker, in the second quarter of 2015. By fourth quarter 2015, electricity tariffs had increased to 59%. Mr. Speaker, in total, under the previous NDC administration, in 2015 alone, electricity tariffs increased by 90%, whilst water increased by 88%. Mr. Speaker, today NDC is back. And what do we see? On 3rd May 2025, electricity tariff increased by 14.75%. On 1st July 2025, 2.45%. On 1st October 2025, 1.14%. Mr. Speaker, on 1st January 2026, 9.8%. Mr. Speaker, that's put together a total of 28.14 in electricity tariffs alone. Mr. Speaker, that is a record of the NDC, and that is a record that the president did not talk about. Mr. Speaker, this government has
in Texas.
Accommodate.
Oh. Ye na ye yesi ye nambenu sun fidie ye nambenu ye dey. Ehwe. Se ye na yakwa tete adodode na sai dey. Aba.
Na wan ya peni mun twen kakren.
O say me awa. De bia me ba ha me catch us say me wo me time period bia.
What set the
ma set the ato say eso na say minsan wana say minya de minya ya.
We ja party na.
Minja party but minim de me ya me de minya de me. But as a leader, kendini a me di amanfo anim. Sende
bi wa say obi esu ndis obi ase
na me say me nu na ye djuma wo ye semturoni wo ye uwia ube ye kasa wia ube ma another minute ye de be phone in ana me boa we di come of phone in another ube samo
that is the time no wa
sa pepe de bia no wanka nsem nim se de edjuma na de etie sende obi be jono so be free radio so a you know how it is. Dem ka so atma se obi be jono so be free radio so a unim send ye dey etie inti sende ansa no okwabra no betime ewurem krampanya some few minutes I dey akasa no ubo so kita phones miesa no dial the same number let me bre text krampo no so wan kan so ubie read WhatsApp message uhu message say dey eba na nipa da se ni benya adaje atena se eti radio hu a day obi okwabra ni timi free radios be 8-9 yenua be masule no krasa 7 nani oye disabled nani hu ade o but on friday bia
yeah
say nipa no party about power aman o sorry a baby obeda krapa den aye de ama no
baby obeda aye de ama
me na me ka tell send dan ka onti na ono ani fie
okay
onti ono ani fie ne waka so o baby oti na ono
party ni ko pedan man
na me say na say ye man bibi na say e support no ana say ye man no ade bia because na ye disabled for omuye djuma say ye pe baby de man no na she na at least bosome so na so benya kakra ye de apodwa ono so ni income no me mpre ma me hu sisi a yes ye ma me mepe but me chita for omo di mechi members na omo ye de omo di echi na de bia no hwe ube
sawa se de na mo pe
me see
ye ma musika
enye sika
ye ma modwuma
opportunities bi e wo ho bi e wo se ye de ma
opportunity ebi ti say
ebu at say in the security services omo recruiting crop ye wo college omo ye young
so mo fa process ni mo
na me say me
no but so mo bi to so mo fa process
na me ka just say me can say ma kire o se uko ka kire obi say ende say the
abujanfo okay me de mo ebesia na o kire yankopon ya aduma ya san ahia our platform we are so high ras media gh me so subscribe ya subscribe so me so fa satian no si adoma no so be am ba life brebia when information some about no abejo me na me no nyina aye program no me de check say ma me nwa events ankama ma me patient dan so me nwa Emmanuel mfram pem na me nwa Tadi Juani Richard ma me Esther Keba de Majasi Sami Jasi from Hamburg Jaru kwa pia ai chao komestai imi about Deborah Che Augustine Yeboa ma me Diana pia choye pa na mimia osei Anthony ai Tony May Enterprise ewo kantama to lane 5 okohwa obenya weather papa now they aye umpaboa udam nkonwa ubet oka seat any bibia no besi ana ochna yankopo ya adoma essential enti Asiedu Nketiah video we esi ewa ntem kan be ma na se akramo until we meet again adios
for our economy no dia yaba ni say abai ebetwa electricity boa ewo fam kura
Ediama Ejuma Yafua Mobeba Juma Anajo Mabeya Juma Enti Moya fundraise Moya welders Mo krakra cars in India Manema Muhia electricity pano Mo penofo Namo Juma Fasua Bamua Moba sign Namo Juma Anajo Anajo use electricity Nane Boa day a conform one more year iron rods and a year Muyusu and Yama Wade Casino Moba Mojuma Anajoa Ube say and Yama Wade Boabe conform pa Abuamo Ama Manyam Fasua Nama Bruno so one more year Juma Aye Enti Abana Antenia Church 24-hour economy num na Muji Tumwa and no a game changer ewo on my Ghana.
Any cashew farm, 500 acres. So reparty so now 1% obey as Resreni said baby oh mamse interpretra. As I said one casa so pay Juma or the round. Now they have one no ma. Now Obi Bechobia, a ye, Obia Mechobia, Ubetinabo, one. Ejimi ekrani na midra ha. Me wo mango any cashew farm 500 acres. Oti ase. Ene na midra me ho. Ene ti na moti say we here discuss we amati mi din wo muda. Because men ko fa abansika. Ene ti mi nuanom ensa no djuma emfaso wo. Me consider na emante mu bi na yabo chenku wo meeting no achi ho